Good morning class. Today I am going to show you the first practical from your lab manual. This is your lab manual in which you have to write the practicals that I will show here. Uh, the first practical is taken from the plant life. In the first practical you have to prepare the slide of plant cell with the help of this onion peel, and after making the slide you have to observe that slide in the under the microscope, and after seeing in the microscope you will find that the cells are arranged like a bricks in a wall. So let's start with the practicals. This is your onion peel, and onion peeled off onion, and take, this is your forceps. With the help of this forceps, take small very fine thin first layer of onion peel, and keep it in a watch glass. This is watch glass, and in this watch glass I have kept the water in this way. This is watch glass. Keep it in keep some thin slices of onion with the help of forceps in the watch glass. Now this is the saffron. It stained the walls, outer walls of the cell. Now put a drop of saffron in another watch glass, and then transfer that peel from the watered watch glass to the saffronin watch glass in this way. This is watered, this is watch glass having water, and this is watch glass having saffronin. Transfer the peel that is kept in watered watch glass to the saffronin. It is for staining the walls of the cell. Now from the saffronin again transfer it to the water for cleaning, for avoiding the more staining. Again transfer that peel into the watered watch glass. This is again. Now this is your slide. This is glycerin. Put a drop of glycerin in the middle of the slide. With the help of dropper, this is dropper. With the help of dropper, put a drop of glycerin in the middle of the slide. Then transfer that stained layer of onion to this glycerin like this. And this is cover slip. This is cover slip. Cover the thin layer of onion with the help of this cover slip. It is very necessary, cover the slip in such a way that there is no entry of any air bubble in the slide. If any air bubble is found, then your slide is not right. There should be no any air bubble in the slide while covering the and with the help of blotting paper, keep dry slide, soak extra glycerin out of the cover slip with the help of this blotting paper. In this way. Now your slide is ready. This. Now your slide is ready. Now observe this slide under the microscope. This is compound microscope. Now observe the slide under the microscope in this way. Now set the microscope in such a way that now after seeing under the microscope you will find this type of structure. This type of structure you will find under the microscope. Very clearly this arrangement of the cell you will observe under the microscope. In this way you have to prepare the slide. I have explained you how you prepare the slide and how you observe under the microscope, and you have to write all this up to the precaution in your lab manual. Now we will meet with the next practical. Till then, thank you.